Hello friends, today we are going to discuss one of the most important topic in today's news, that is Indo-Nepal border issue, which is a burning topic these days in the field of international relations of India. So we'll see about that, why it happened and what led to this issue. As you can see in this picture, we have one side our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, other side we have Nepal's Prime Minister. So we'll in this video we'll talk about the uh, Treaty of Sagali also, which led to this issue. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Let's move forward. So as you can see in this map, that a few days ago Nepal published its own map named the Nepalko Naksha. It is a Nepali language meaning the map of Nepal, and in this map it stated that this part was the part of the Nepal, but actually Nepal has its part only till here, and this part is a part of India. Okay, this part is a part of India. So to which the Indian authorities reported to Nepal that it is breaching the border criteria of India, and it should make necessary changes in its map. To which Nepali government replied that it is not going to make any changes in its map. So main issue was this. Okay, let us see in further slides that actually what happened and what led Nepal to do this. Okay, let's move forward. So let's see the reason which led to the this issue. One of the most important reason which led to this issue was Treaty of Sagali, which was signed in 1816 between the British ruled East India Company and Nepal. It was signed because a war was fought between Nepal and East India Company, and this war was lost by Nepal. Okay, so since Nepal lost this war, it had to lose its several of its territories, like Nainital, which is now a part of India, but a few centuries ago it was a part of Nepal. Okay, so according to this treaty, what was the main point of this treaty was that uh, there is a Kali river between the boundary of India and Nepal. Okay, so according to this treaty, what was called that the portion which is west to the Kali river will be the part of India, and the portion which is east to the Kali river will be the part of Nepal. Okay, so this was being followed, but actually what happened uh, now that Nepal is refusing this treaty in some way, which we'll discuss in the further slides. Okay, so as you can see in the screen, it is a detailed map of border between the Nepal and India. Okay, so according to the Sagali Treaty, what was told that the originating point of Kali River, okay, the originating point of Kali River will be the dividing line between India and Nepal. But nowadays, what issue is coming, that Nepal is saying that the originating point of Kali River is Limpiadhura. Okay, this part. But actually, India believes that the originating point of Kali River is Lipu Lake near this Banjiang. Okay, so this is the main issue, and it used to be Lipu Lake itself, and Nepal government never refused this. But nowadays we see that Nepal government is refusing, and it is saying that Limpiadhara will be the dividing line of India and Nepal, and so Nepal has mentioned this part of India as a part of Nepal. So this is the main cause of the dispute between India and Nepal. So we'll see one more reason which led to this issue and which led Nepal to take this step in the further slides. So let's come to one of the most important reasons why Nepal took this step. You would be thinking that why Nepal took such a step when it had such a friendly relations with India. Yeah, I agree that we had such a friendly relations with Nepal. But actually in 2016, what happened that Communist Party took over the government in Nepal, and this Communist Party has its influence from China. So under the influence of China, the Nepal government is taking such as steps, and this is one of the most important reasons for Nepal taking such a step against India and debarring all its friendly relations till now with India. Okay, so friends, hope you like this video and comment on my video and do subscribe to my channel. This is Gaurav signing off. Bye, take care.